Turning to Michigan's fight against COVID-19 this afternoon, the state reporting another uptick in cases.
Yeah, more than 11,000 new infections were reported over the last 2 days. That's an average of 5,800 cases a day, up from nearly 5,400 earlier this week. 330 more deaths were also reported today.
Across the country, Omicron infections have jumped sevenfold in just the past week. Dr. Anthony Fauci warning it will become the dominant COVID strain in the U.S. And so far, it's managed to infect those who are vaccinated.
7 Action News reporter Jen Shans joining us live now outside Henry Ford Hospital in Detroit with how this surge is impacting staffing and capacity ahead of the holidays. Jen.
Yeah, Glenda, Brian, I'm here at Henry Ford Health System right here in Detroit. It's operating this building at 87% capacity, and right now it has had to close 44 of its beds system-wide. Out of the 1,500 beds within this health system, they've had to close 67 due largely to staffing. We heard from an ER doctor here who was seeing heartbreak on a daily basis. She says especially because so many of these COVID cases, she says, are preventable.
It's so heartbreaking to walk them down this path of death.
Dr. Jackie Flom Carlson is an ER and critical care doctor at Henry Ford. She's seen the impacts of low vaccination rates every day. State Health Department data shows that 76% of recent COVID deaths were among Michiganders not fully vaccinated.
The majority of the patients that I've talked to who are sick with COVID, who did not get vaccinated, have one regret, and it's not getting vaccinated.
We are in a crisis. There's no way around it, and there's no way to sugarcoat it.
This crisis coming as a new variant continues to spread around the country. The CDC director speaking on Omicron earlier today.
Although the vast majority of cases continue to be Delta, representing about 96% of cases across the country, the Omicron variant is now estimated to represent about 3% of the cases in the United States.
In New York and New Jersey, though, the CDC says Omicron could account for up to 13% of cases. Omicron has now been identified in 36 states, including here in Michigan. Last week, it was confirmed in Kent County. Initial data suggests getting a booster may offer substantially more protection against Omicron. A recent study from South Africa shows that while the variant seems to spread more easily, generally patients are less sick.
But we need to be careful with that information and that data because that patient population is a younger patient population.
Doctors say more studies from countries with a similar patient population to the U.S., like age and vaccination rates, will be key as we continue to study Omicron. And they are also reminding people, again, the importance, especially as we approach the holidays and there will be more indoor gatherings, to get vaccinated. Here in Michigan, only about 56.5% of the adult eligible population has received that full vaccination. Reporting live this morning in Detroit, Jen Shantz, 7 Action News.